Hi, welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships. Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see about the official training provided by the IBM company through its free courses. Before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like Telegram and WhatsApp. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. And our Instagram account is still facing some problems. So maybe I'll be creating a new Instagram account. I'll update it once I have created it. So let's go to the content of this video. So now I am in the home page of the IBM Training website. The first step is to create an account in this website. So you can see here new user sign up. Just click on it. And if you already have an account, click on login and give all your details and log into your account. So once you click on sign up, you will see this. So you have to give your account information, that is your email ID, and you have to give your name and set a password and choose your country, and you also have to verify your email. So let me give my details and catch up after that. So once you have given all the details, click on the next button here. And in the next step, you have to enter the 7-digit verification code that IBM would have sent to your email ID. So you will get a mail like this from IBM. Just copy this code, and you have to copy this code and paste it in the box given here. So now I have pasted the unique code that I got for verification. And note that you have to do this before 30 minutes. And once you have given your verification code, just click on create account here and then click on proceed. So now I have logged into my account. Once you log into your account, just scroll down and you can see the skills that you can learn in this website, that is IBM Training. So these are the categories: AI learning, analytics, blockchain, cloud, finance, IT infrastructure, professional skills, security, Watson Academy, Watson supply chain, Watson health, and Watson IoT, that is Watson Internet of Things. And if you wonder what is Watson is, it's nothing but IBM Watson. That's what they generally call it. And it is nothing but a chatbot created by IBM. And as I said, these are the categories available in this IBM Training website. And the next step is to just choose the category in which you want to learn. So let me choose AI learning here, that is artificial intelligence learning. So let me just click on it. So you can click on any category that you like. Once you choose the category, you can see all the courses that are available under that category. For example, in AI learning, you have data and AI learning catalog, AI concepts, deploy machine learning models, and all the courses are given here. And here you can see the details like the skill level and the commitment and the delivery. That is, it's a digital or it's a multiple one, and it's in beginner level or moderate or advanced level. The skill level is also given. And if you want to enroll in any course here, just simply click on the details button at each course. So let me click on this one, artificial intelligence concept. Just click on the details. So that is one more small step that we have to do before seeing the course details. So if you scroll down here, you can see here a box in which you have to type in I agree. So just type in I agree in the box given here. Once you type the given words, that is I agree, you will be directed to the course. So now we are in the course page, and if you scroll down, you can see here the course description, like the duration and the objectives and audience is also given, and the prerequisites will also be given in all the courses. And for this one, it's none, and the duration is 1 hour course. And you can simply click on course content and start watching the videos on the what are the things that you have to read. You can just simply start learning once you click on the course content. And once you have completed all the course content, you have to take the assessment. That is, you have to click on knowledge check here and take the assessment. And once you complete the assessment, you can get your certificate of completion. You can see that here. Once you have completed the course, you have the opportunity to give us feedback and downloading a course completion certificate. So you have to complete the course content, and then you have to take the assessment in knowledge check. And once you have done with both of these, you have to give the course survey. And after giving the survey, you can simply download your certificate. So let me first click on course content and see how it is. So this is how the course content page will be. You can see here, you can simply click on it and start learning. So this is course content. Once you have completed all the things given here, At the top you can see here itself knowledge check. So you can simply click on knowledge check. Once you have completed reading all the course content, you can move on to the knowledge check, in which you have to take the assessment. So you can see here that now it's restricted because I haven't completed any of the reading content or the course content. Once you complete the content, you can take the knowledge check, that is the assessment, and once you complete the assessment, you can move on to the course survey and certificate of completion. You can simply click on here, and now you can see here that you have to give your course feedback, and all the things are restricted because I haven't completed anything. So you have to give your course feedback, and once you have done with that, you can simply click on certificate of completion and take your certificate and share it on your LinkedIn profile or on any resume that you have. So this is the content for this video. IBM is providing a free training through its free courses across different categories like AI, learning, analytics, blockchain, cloud, finance, IT infrastructure, professional skills, security, and you also have courses related to IBM Watson Academy, Watson Supply Chain, Watson Health, Watson IoT, that is Internet of Things. So once you are logged in, you can simply choose the category, that is the topic, and once you are in the topic page, you can see the courses under that particular topic. Choose any course that you like, complete it, and you can also receive a certificate, a free certificate from IBM Training. So I hope you like this video. To get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like WhatsApp and Instagram. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video.